Luxury Fred, and look where we are. We are on Catalina Island. We're at a very cool rental property here in an exclusive part of Catalina Island called Hamilton Cove. And this is unit 321 here at Hamilton Cove. And you too can rent this if you go to beachyrentals.com, B-E-A-C-H-Y rentals.com. So let me give you a tour. Let me start with the best part, which is the view and the deck, the terrace out here. Oh, look at that. So we have a cruise ship joining us today. So again, this is, we are not in Capri. We are not in the south of France. We are not in Greece. We are 26 miles from Long Beach and Los Angeles, which you can actually see quite clearly today, on the island of Catalina. And this is the exclusive private development called Hamilton Cove. If you've ever visited Catalina, you've probably seen the iconic white terraced buildings here as you approach in the ferry. And as you can see, we have just a beautiful picture perfect day here. Now if you go right around to the right, you'll see the Avalon Casino and kind of little town of Avalon. It's about a 10-minute, about a 5-minute drive on the golf cart. And let me give you a tour. So we have this great outdoor area here with this big patio and deck with these incredible views here. And then coming inside, this is a 2-bedroom unit. So this is the living area. Nice big open plan space. Kind of the living dining room and kitchen area. Big dining room table here. This couch is also a sofa bed. Have a nice fireplace, workspace over there. Nice big screen TV. And then this really nice large kitchen. Behind here we have a washer and dryer that come with the unit. Again, we have this nice full-size chef's kitchen here with stainless steel appliances. This is the second bathroom here. Actually, let me show you the first bedroom here. So the other bedroom is the master bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And you can see we have a big comfortable bed. All this comes with the rental. Have some nice furniture. Another big screen TV with house has Wi-Fi and cable and all that kind of stuff. Big closet over there. And then this also has its own doors which lead out to the deck here. So you have your own views. And I gotta tell you, it's great to keep that door open at night to smell those ocean breezes, and you can hear the waves hitting the shore down there. So then we have the bathroom that goes with the second bedroom. We have a nice large shower in here. And then we have the lavatory room in there. And now let's check out the master bedroom. Okay, so here is the master bedroom. Again, this is a 2-bedroom unit here at Hamilton Cove, and if you go to beachyrentals.com, B-E-H-C-H-Y rentals.com, then you can rent this, and they also have 3 or 4 other amazing beachfront properties in and around the San Diego area. In addition to this one in Mission Beach and Pacific Beach specifically. So again, this is the master bedroom. You got this nice big bed, and of course, like the other rooms, you have this enormous terrace with the doors here leading out to it. So cool to see that cruise ship out there. And again, nice large master bedroom. This is the large walk-in closet over there that you get the use of as well. And then this is the master bathroom that has this large soaking tub here for you to soak in after a day of exploring Catalina Island. Dual vanities here, and then lavatory in there. So that concludes the tour. Again, this is Unit 321 here at Hamilton Cove on the island of Catalina. And I gotta tell you, I've been here once or twice before. This is my first time spending more than a day or two here, and it is just incredible. And the idea that this is 26 miles away, it takes 65 minutes on the Catalina Express ferry to get here. It was choppy water, and the ride is still smooth because they use catamarans. So I just want to show you, this again is the Catalina Express boat, and as you can see, it's a catamaran. So it's not a single solid hull, it's got two holes on either side, and then the water can go through, and that's supposed to give you a smoother ride on rough water, and also allow the boat to go faster on rough water as well. So it was real easy to get here. Catalina Express leaves from Long Beach, San Pedro, and Dana Point. They have ports in each of those places, and again, it's just a quick ride over here, and it's just a beautiful place. There's all kinds of natural things to do. You can go hiking, there's a golf course here, zip lining, and of course a lot of great restaurants. I'm here for the annual Jazz Tracks Jazz Festival, which happens in October every year, and it's 2 weekends and just an amazing array of jazz artists. Really had an amazing time going to concert after concert. The concerts are held at that amazing building, which is, I keep saying amazing, but everything here is amazing. The concerts are held at that casino building, the historic structure at the end of the pier over in Avalon. So again, Luxury Fred here in Catalina in Hamilton Cove. This is the fitness center here, as you can see. Down here we have the jacuzzi. I just went there. Some more views, Hamilton Cove. And then that up there is the swimming pool. And thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and like the video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And of course, subscribe to my channel to see more cool luxury travel videos.